In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView and leverage it to become a trader. Now, TradingView is a powerful tool for both novice and seasoned traders, offering a wealth of features that make it easier to analyze the markets and make informed trading decisions. So let's dive right in and explore how you can harness its potential. First things first, you'll want to head over to TradingView's website and navigate to the stock chart page. Let's take Netflix, for instance. Once you're on the page, you'll see the various options and tools that TradingView provides. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will be your command center for analyzing stocks and market trends. Next up, you'll notice the watch list on the side panel of the interface. By clicking on it, you can customize your list of stocks or cryptocurrencies to keep an eye on. This feature is particularly useful because it helps you track the price movements of your chosen assets without having to search for them repeatedly. Simply add the tickers you're interested in, and you can quickly access their charts whenever needed. After setting up your watch list, direct your attention to the main toolbar. Here you'll find various chart types you can choose from, such as bar charts, candlestick charts, and more. Clicking on bars will change your current chart type to a bar chart, which can provide insight into market trends. Each chart type offers a unique way to represent the price data, so feel free to experiment with these options to see which works best for you. Now let's talk about the Indicators tab. TradingView allows you to apply various indicators to your charts, which can help you identify trends, overbought or oversold conditions, and potential entry and exit points. By clicking on the Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies option, you'll gain access to a whole library of tools that can enhance your analysis. If you already have a specific indicator in mind, such as the moving average, simply type it into the search bar to quickly find and apply it. Another valuable feature is the alert system. TradingView enables you to set custom alerts based on specific conditions you define. By clicking on the alert icon, you can create criteria for price levels, indicator values, or even the crossing of trend lines. These alerts can be a real game changer as they help you stay informed about important market events without needing to constantly monitor the platform. Finally, there's the trading panel, which is integrated with several brokers, allowing you to execute trades directly from TradingView. Once you click on the trading panel, take a moment to explore the broker options and see which one suits your trading style. Using this feature can streamline the trading process, making it both efficient and seamless. This marks the end of our overview, and by now you should have a solid understanding of how TradingView can be leveraged to enhance your trading journey. Remember, practice is key, so spend time exploring these tools and features to master this powerful platform. Happy trading!